आरम्भं करोतु।
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनामतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः।
धन्यवादः महोदय। अस्तु, सर्वेषां स्वागतम् अस्ति। वयं यत् कोऽपि पठितवन्तः प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा तस्मिन् विषये, तेषां विषये? गृहकार्यस्य विषये अपि कोऽपि प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा?
Bhanu Mohoday, could you explain this Kidrish, Tadrish, Idrish? I think it was 58.
प्रश्नः किम् अस्ति भोः?
This concept,
question?
which is doing something, but then this Tadrish was not clear.
कोऽपि वक्तुम् इच्छति वा? कीदृशः का तादृशः इत्युक्ते किम् अपि?
58.
Idrasha is what kind, Tadrasha is that kind, and Idrasha is this kind.
Satya. And they are all Visheshana padas, so you'll have Kidrushaha, Kidrusha, Kidrushi, sorry, Kidrushaha, Kidrusham, Kidrushi, Tadrushaha, etc.
Okay.
अन्ये प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा?
No.
अस्तु. So we have two minor topics that we are left to cover. We couldn't get to them last week. Let's quickly cover them and then we'll go forward. Go to page number 65 in the Abhyasa Pustakam. Viruddhartaka Shabdaha.
महोदय क्षम्यतां, what page महोदय? महोदय
69. 69.
65.
क्षम्यतां 65. 65.
धन्यवाद.
So viruddhartakaha. Viruddhartaka ityukte?
Opposite.
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 Opposite words. Atra kramaha Sudha Mahodaya asti. So in the box there are some words that are given. They are all Visheshana padas. They are all describing something. They are all Visheshana padas. So you will have them in all three lingas. Sudha Mahodaya, Krupaya Pathatu.
Unnata Vamana Puratana Nutana Bruhat लघु दीर्घ ह्रस्व स्थूल कृश अधिकं किंचित.
So let us go through the examples and then we can understand the meanings easily. Suchana pathatu.
उपरि, shall I read the
pathatu.
Yeah. उपरि केचन विरुद्धार्थकाः शब्दाः सन्ति.
केचन मास्तु केचन.
केचन विरुद्धार्थकाः शब्दाः सन्ति. अधस्तन वाक्येषु स्थितानि रिक्तस्थलानि उचितैः विरुद्धार्थकशब्दैः पूरयतु.
उत्तमम्. अत्र उपरि, we studied upari in a couple of classes before. Upari ityukte
above.
अनन्तरवाक्ये अधस्तन अस्ति. अधः, अधः इत्युक्ते
अधः below.
Below. And then in the last class we studied tana. What is tana? What does tana indicate?
Off.
Like an apostrophe. Hyastana, adyatana. So there is one more prayoga here, adhastana.
Adhastana.
Of the below sentences,
Vakya.
fill in the blanks. Prathamam vakyam pathatu.
Nalikera. Nalikera vrutta. Narikela. It should be
typo.
नारिकेला. नारिकेल वृक्षः डैश अस्ति. जंबीर वृक्षः डैश अस्ति.
पूरयतु.
So yeah, नारिकेल वृक्षः उन्नतः अस्ति. जंबीर वृक्षः वामनः अस्ति.
So वामनः. So we know Vamana Avatara. From that we can guess what the meaning of Vamana is.
Short.
Small, short. So Narikela Vrukshaha Unnataha Asti. So the opposite. Tall. So as I said before, all the words in the pink box, they are all Viseshana Padas. So Narikela Vrukshaha. Vrukshaha tasya lingam kim asti?
Punlingan.
Punlinga. Therefore Unnataha. Strilinge asti chet Nadina Unnata. Balika Unnata asti. The girl is very tall. Pustakam Unnatam asti. So all the words in the box, they have forms in all three lingas. Astu. Dhanyavadaha. Srimanti Mahodaye, Dvitiyam Pathatu.
Dandaha Dirgaha asti. Dandaha Hrashvaha asti.
Hrasvaha asti. Dandaha Dirgaha asti. Dandaha Hrasvaha asti. So we have seen Dirgha and Hrasva somewhere else. Where would we have seen that?
Like
Aksharani. Aksharani. A is a Hrasvakara. A is a Hrasvakara. A is a Dirgha akara. So Dirgha Hrasva Artha kim?
Dirgaha is long. And Hrashvaha is short.
Hrasvaha. Short.
Hrashvaha short.
Hrasvaha. Astu. Dhanyavadaha. Harsha Mahode Anantaram Pathatu.
Yutakam Puratana
यूतक
पुरातन.
यूतकं न युतकं.
Okay. Yutakam.
न युतकं ह्रस्व उकार
Okay.
दीर्घ नास्ति. युतकं.
Yutakam. Puratanam asti.
युतकं तस्य लिङ्गं किम्?
Napunsaklingam.
अतः तस्य विशेषणमपि नपुंसकलिङ्गे भवति.
Bhavati. Pustakam Nutanam asti.
पुस्तकं नूतनम् अस्ति, युतकं पुरातनम् अस्ति. पुल्लिङ्गे अपि एकम् उदाहरणं ददातु. नूतन पुरातन उपयुज्य.
Mandiram Nutanam asti.
नपुंसकलिङ्गे अस्ति तत्. पुंलिङ्गे प्रयत्नं करोतु.
Pullinge. Pullinge.
वा स्त्रीलिङ्गे.
Shatika. Nutanam. Nutana asti.
उत्तमम्.
Mala Puratana
अस्ति. उत्तमम्. अस्तु, रामु महोदय अनन्तरं करोतु. रामु महोदय अस्ति वा? भवान् म्यूट् मध्ये अस्ति.
गोविन्दः स्थूलः अस्ति. माधवः कृशः अस्ति.
अस्तु, अर्थः किम्?
गोविन्द is fat. Madhava is lean.
कृशः, स्थूलः कृशः. अस्तु, अनुपमा महोदय अनन्तरं पठतु.
आं महोदय. विधानसौधः डैश भवनम् बृहत्
वा?
बृहत् सन्दीपस्य गृहं लघु गृहम्.
लघु. अत्र लघुं न, लघु इस् नपुंसकलिङ्ग. सो गृहं किम् अस्ति? नपुंसकलिङ्गं पदमस्ति. अत्र लघु इस् द नपुंसकलिङ्ग फॉर्म. इट इस् नाट् लघुम्, इट इस् लघु. Same way, bruhat is the napumsakalinga form, not bruhatam. Arthah kim? Artham kim?
Vidhanasaudha. Bruhat is big and Laghu is small.
Uttamam. Prashant Mahodaya, anantaram pathatu. प्रशांत महोदय अस्ति वा?
महोदय
पठतु.
द्रोणायाम् अधिकं जलम् अस्ति. चषके किञ्चित् क्षीरम् अस्ति.
पुनः पठतु.
द्रोण्याम् अधिकं जलम् अस्ति.
अस्तु, द्रोण्याम् इत्युक्ते what is द्रोण्याम्?
Is it bucket?
द्रोणी is bucket. द्रोण्याम् लिङ्गं किम्?
Napunsaklingam.
Droni.
Droni, Ikarant, Striling.
Ikaranta, Strilinga. Therefore, Dronyam will be what? What vibhakti?
Is it the Dvitiya Vibhakti?
Nadi, Nadyam.
Nadi, Nadyam, okay, yeah. Two, like two, it's for two. Nadyam.
Anye kopi vaktum ichhati va? Anybody wants to try?
Saptami vibhakti.
Saptami vibhakti. Vachanam kim?
Vachanam ekvachanam.
Astu.
Nadyam.
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 Nadyam, nadyoho, nadishu. Astu. Saptami ekavachanam. तो अर्थः कः? द्रोण्याम् अधिकं जलम् अस्ति.
Like in the buckets, there is a lot of water.
Satyam, satyam. Why adhikam jalam? Why not adhikah jalam or adhika jalam?
Like it has to rhyme with the Visheshan Vishesha.
So atra, what is it describing?
That it has got a lot of water.
Parantu, what is the word that it is the Visheshana for? Which word is it the Visheshana for?
This is Adhikam.
Jalam. Adhikam is a Visheshana for Jalam. Lot of water.
Yes. Lot of water.
Astu.
Yes. Yeah.
Astu. Anantaram. Dvitiyam vakyam.
Chashke.
Chashake.
Chashke. Chashkaha. Like it is then Saptami Ekvachan, like Ram, Rame.
Rama, not Ram. Rama.
Rama. No,
Chashaka.
but Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachan, and then Kinchite.
Kinchit. Tatra visarga halanta asti kalu. There is a halanta below the ta, the dash. So you have to break the sound. Kinchit.
Kinchit Shiram Asti.
Kshiram. What is Kshiram?
I don't.
Kopi janati va? Kshiram kim?
Milk.
Milk.
Ksheerasagaram.
Ksheerasagaram. Milk.
Famous song in there.
Astu. Artha kaha mahodaya? Chashake kinchit kshiram asti.
In the glass there is a little bit of milk.
Uttama. Agre.
Sahasranam might is there. Kshirodhanna Pradeshi.
Vishnu Sahasranam. Satya. Agrima Pangtau, in the next page, if you look at the box where they say Vishesha Suchana, there they are saying Sthula, and they are saying Sthulaha, Sthula, Sthulam, Balakaha Sthulaha, Balika Sthula, Pustakam Sthulam, Evameva Nutana, Granthaha Nutanaha, Lekhani Nutana, Yutakam Nutanam. So, same thing which we talked about, Visheshana Vishesha Bhava. Prashnaha santi va?
Mahodaya, what is the Srilingam form for Bruhat and Lahu?
That is an abhyasa for you. Look it up in Kosha.
Last homework we studied about Krusha, Umayaha, Apekshaya, Aparna Krusha. So
Uttama. Krusha.
that the Srilingam has.
Uttama. So here the words are given in a particular lingam. For homework, look up in kosha.sanskrit.today what are the forms in other lingas. If you are not able to find out, we can talk in the next class. Astu. Let us go to 69. Topic 32.1. चैत्र महोदय भवती वैद्यः भवतु विराज महोदय रोगी भवतु पठतु संभाषणम्
अस्तु महोदय
न भवतु सत्यं न भवतु
न अभ्यासार्थमेव
वैद्यः किम् अभवत्
अत्र अभवत् किं शब्दं what is the word, what does it mean, what form?
अभवत् लङ् लकार महोदय
वचन. So from now on, eksham from now on, if I ask something about a kriya padam, you have to say the lakara, vachana and purusha. For nama padam, vibhakti, purusha and linga. वदतु.
किम् अभवत् अभवत् लङ् लकारः एकवचनं प्रथमपुरुष उत्तमं. सो अर्थः किम्, अर्थः कः? what happened
अनन्तरं
रोगी ज्वरः श्रीमान्
श्रीमान् वा
क्षम्यतां श्रीमन्
श्रीमन् इत्युक्ते what type of word is it?
It's Sambodhana type.
Sambodhana. Lingam, vachanam.
It's Pullinga, Ekavachana.
Sambodhana.
Sambodhana.
So what is he saying?
Fever.
He is addressing the doctor and saying Shriman Jwaraha asti. Kriya padam asti. Anantaram patatu.
वैद्यः कदा आरभ्य
kada ityukte
from when did it begin? When?
Kada arabhya. We studied arabhya in the last class or the one before. Arabhya ityukte
began. From when did it begin actually in this case?
From when? Arabhya.
From when?
So let us do a little revision. If the patient, if the Vaidyaha wanted to say from when did it begin and up to when, what would he have said?
Arabhya, from when did it begin? So kada Arabhya, I think Paryantam comes somewhere. So
kada Arabhya, kada Paryantam.
Kada Arabhya, kada Paryantam.
So Arabhya from when, Paryantam up to when. So when did you have fever? From when to when? Anantaram.
ह्यः आरभ्य शिरवेदना अपि अस्ति.
Shirovedana.
शिरोवेदना अपि अस्ति.
What is he saying?
So he's telling it started yesterday.
From yesterday. Arabhya. From.
Then he's adding Shirovedana. So headache also is there.
Vedana. Vedana is pain. It's in many of our mother tongues also. Vedana api asti. Chirovedana api asti. Astu. Anantaram.
Vaidyaha aharaha rochate va? So do you feel like having food? Or do you
Astu.
do you feel like having food?
Does food astu rochate shabdasya vivaranam dadatu. What is rochate?
रोचते आत्मनेपदी रूपं
Uttamam, uttamam.
प्रथमपुरुष एकवचनं
Lakaraha.
लकारः लकारः
Lat
लट् लकारः
Latkaraha. Astu. So we saw, I don't know if you remember, if anybody remembers, when we studied Vibhaktis from the Vibhakti Vallari book, Rochate, that particular word goes with a particular Vibhakti. Does anybody remember?
Chaturthi Vibhakti, right?
Chaturthi Vibhakti. Udaharanam dadatu Bhagya Mahoday.
Ahara.
I like, so if I want to say the equivalent of I like a mango.
Makhyam. Alam. Right?
Vadatu. Be confident. Be confident.
Makhyam palam roche, right?
Rochate.
Rochate. Rochate is Makyam palam rochate.
Mahyam amra phalam rochate. For me, mango is liked. It doesn't translate well, but that is, I like mango. So
yes,
whenever you see rochate, that particular word, you have to use Chaturthi Vibhakti. So if you want to say for okay, rupnaha rogi astu mahyam rochate astu. If I want to say for you amra phalam you like, how would we say using rochate?
Tubhyam palam rochate.
Tubhyam amra phalam rochate. Tubhyam te satyam. Tubhyam te. Astu uttamam. Anantaram.
Rogi. Rochate.
So rochate. Here he is not saying it is rochate for me. So if he wanted to say the full sentence, how would he have said it?
Aharaha. What is the form for
Rochate? We just talked about it.
Yeah. Aharaha rochate.
For me.
Mahyam.
Mahyam. Astu. Anantaram.
वैद्यः जिह्वां प्रदर्शयतु भवतु एतत् औषधम् एताः गुलिकाः च स्वीकरोतु.
Atra pradarshayatu swikarotu. What are they?
महोदय प्रदर्शयतु स्वीकरोतु लोट् लकारः प्रथमपुरुष एकवचनं. So show your tongue and and please take this tablet and the medicine. औषधम् एताः गुलिकाः च स्वीकरोतु.
Astu. So swikarotu. So what is the dhatu there?
Kru dhatu, Mahodaya.
Kru dhatu. What is the word before karotu? Swi karotu. What is swi?
Swi is upasarga.
Upasarga. So if you just take karotu as that word, what are the other forms of that word? 9 lakaras.
Karotu karotu, then kurutam, then kurvantu. So
Satyam.
then, then in, so that was lat lakaraha. No, that was lot lakaraha.
We are
Then
doing only lot lakara. What are the madhyama and uttama purusha forms?
Madhyama Purusha is Tvam, I think Kuru, Kuru, then Kurutam, then Kuruta,
Kuruta.
Kuruta.
Yeah.
And in Uttama Purusha, the Kurvahe, something I'm getting confused between.
Chinta mastu. Kopi smarati va?
Don't
Does
remember,
anybody
Mahoday.
remember?
Uttama
Chinta
Purusha.
mastu. We are revising. That's the whole point. Kopi smarati va?
Karavani, Uttama Purusha Karavani Mahodaya.
Dvivachana bahuvachana?
Karavava, Karavama.
Uttama. Karavani, Karavava, Karavama. So kru dhatu and da dhatu, as we have seen before, they are special forms. Please make sure you revise those two. You are very likely to get one of those two in the exam. Astu. धन्यवादः महोदय. अनन्तरं सुमित्रा महोदय, भवती रोगी पात्रं स्वीकरोतु. बाला महोदय, भवान् वैद्यस्य पात्रं स्वीकरोतु.
अहं बहिः अस्मि.
बहिः अस्ति वा? अस्तु, चिन्ता मास्तु. भवानी महोदय, भवती वैद्यः भवतु.
Mahodaya, I joined late. If it is from the Abhyasa Pustakam, I don't have the book.
Astu, chinta mastu. Bhagya Mahoday, chinta mastu. Bhagya Mahoday, pustakam asti va?
Asti Mahodaya.
Sumitra Mahoday, pustakam asti va?
asti.
Bhavati rogi patram swikarotu, pathatu.
Bhagya Mahodaya, right?
You read, no, rogi, right? Suchaushadam.
Yeah, rogi.
Okay. Suchaushadam. Okay. Suchaushadam na avashakam va?
Suchaushadam. Suchi aushadam. Suchi. What is Suchi?
Needle.
Needle. Suchi is needle. So Suchi aushadam. What does it mean?
Injection.
Injection. Satyam. Suchi aushadam. Vadatu. Artha kaha Sumitra Mahoday?
Do you need injection? Like
needle is Rogi is asking. So he can't say, do you need it, right?
Is it like the needle is necessary? Like that?
Injection eva. Suchaushadam. No,
injection
you said.
Is necessary?
Satya. Anantaram.
Vaidyaha. Na, etadeva paryaptam.
Paryaptam. We saw paryaptam before. What is paryaptam?
Paryaptam is avyaya Mahodaya.
Artha kaha?
Enough.
Enough. Sufficient. Uttamam. Anantaram pathatu.
Rohi. Adya maya snanam kartum shakyate kila. Maya snanam kartum shakyate kila. Can I take bath today?
Astu. Atra Kartum. What type of word is kartum?
Tumun.
Tumun pratyaya. Tumun pratyaya. Therefore, it's an avyaya. Kartum. Anantaram shakyate.
Shakyate. Kintu. Oh,
No.
sorry.
I'm
sorry.
Shakyate should be Atmanepati.
Atmanepadi.
Eka.
Lakaraha. Purushaha.
Ekavachanam. Pratama Purushaha Ekavachanam.
Ah.
Or no.
Satyam. Ekavachanam Prathama Purusha Latlakaraha.
So I was thinking like Atmanepadi should be like not Uttama Purushaha kind of thing.
Astu. Latlakarasya anyani rupani kani. What are the other forms of shakyate?
Shakyate, shakyete, shakyante. Shakyase, shakyete, shakyadve, shakye, shakyavahe, shakyamahe.
Shakye, shakyavahe, shakyamahe. Uttama. Adya maya snanam kartum shakyate kila. Kila. I think we talked about kila in a couple of classes prior to this. What is kila?
Maybe like can.
It's just it's a question we ask to emphasize. I can take a shower, right? So there, if we say it in English, the word right is not talking whether it is correct or not. I'm just emphasizing the previous statement. So he's asking, I can take a shower, right? Kila. So kila, khalu, nanu, these are all the words we use to emphasize whatever was said before. Anantaram pathatu.
Shakyate. Shakyate. Shak is the dhatu?
Satya.
Okay.
Anantaram pathatu.
Shakyate. Kintu ushnajalena karotu. शीतजलेन मास्तु यतः भवतः ज्वरः प्रायशः शीतकारणतः एव आगतः स्यात्.
अस्तु. प्रथमं वाक्यं पश्यन्तु. किन्तु उष्णजलेन करोतु. What is he saying?
No. Take bath with hot water.
Ushna jalena. Jalena. What type of word is it?
It's Ushna jalena. Tritiya vibhakti ekavachana napumsakalinga.
Jalashabdha. Kintu. Kintu means karotu we have done. Kintu
avyaya, right?
But
But, the meaning,
but.
yes.
Astu. Shita jalena, same thing. Jalena, they are using. Shita jalena, cold water. Ushna jalena, warm water or hot water. Mastu. Mastu we studied before. Mastu is?
Don't. Ma astu. Don't do it.
Anantaram vakyam pashyantu yataha. So what is yataha? We have seen yataha before.
Yataha, that's why. Right? Yataha bhavataha.
Somebody else had an answer.
Because.
Because.
Oh. Isn't the same meaning? That's why, because.
What is, wait. What is the other word we learned along with yataha?
Ataha.
Ataha. Therefore. So here he is saying yataha because. So when you use yataha, everything that follows is the reason. But when you use ataha, everything previous to that is the reason. So if I wanted to rewrite this same sentence using ataha, how would I do it? Anupama Mahodaya, bhavati vaktum shaknoti va?
महोदय
प्रयत्नं करोतु.
यतः
अत्र पश्यतु यतः, because, and then he is giving the reason. So ataha, if you use, you have to give the reason before.
Okay. शीतल यतः भवतः अतः अतः जले न महोदय.
कोऽपि अन्ये वक्तुं शक्नोति वा?
अतः शीतकारणात्, right? अतः शीतकारणात् एव ज्वरम् आगतः.
So what are the two one second. So what are the two things that are being combined here? One is shita jalena mastu, with cold water don't do it. And then he's saying because
you'll get fever.
Now if you want to use ataha, how would you rewrite those two sentences?
Bhavatah, shall I?
प्रयत्नं करोतु सुधा महोदय.
भवतः ज्वरः प्रायशः शीतकारणतः एव आगतः, अतः शीतजलेन मास्तु. उत्तम. So cause and effect, or reason and the statement. So yataha, the reason follows, ataha, the reason precedes. Is that clear? Atra pashyatu ekam nutanam padam asti prayashaha. Prayashaha means probably.
Generally also. Generally also.
Okay. In this context, probably, but the meaning generally also exists, and I believe it exists in Marathi also. I think, or some form of prayashaha. So you will see prayaha also. It means the same thing. Prayaha and prayashaha both mean the same thing. Probably, generally, etc. Bhagya Mahodaya, Shita Karanataha. What do you think is the vibhakti, etc.? Or what type of word is it?
Shita Karanataha is like for Panchami Vibhakti, Shita Karanat or Shita Karanataha.
Uttama. Anantaram Patha. Any questions in this sentence? We have talked about a lot of concepts here. Astu, Anantaram Patatu.
Rohi. Shriman, aham shvaha swastha. Swastha bhavishyami va. Is at the Sambodhana, Shriman. Aham swaha. Will I become all right tomorrow? Like tomorrow, will I be all right?
Uttama. Bhavishyami. What is bhavishyami?
Bhavishyat kala, like aham.
Bhudatu bhavishyat kala. So what lakara?
Uttama purushaha eka vachanam. Rut lakara.
Rut lakara. What are the other forms in rut lakara?
mean everything or just aham
Everything,
bhavishyami?
everything, all 9.
Bhavishyati,
Hmm.
bhavishyatah, bhavishyanti,
Hmm.
bhavishyasi, bhavishyatah, bhavishyata, bhavishyami, bhavishyavah, bhavishyamah.
Madhyama purushe tha, it is not the tha.
Tha.
Astu. Anantaram patatu.
एतत् औषधं स्वीकरोतु निश्चयेन स्वस्थः भविष्यति भवति.
Bhavan.
Oh, I thought I'm telling Sumitra Mahoday, right? Then I need to use bhavati, right?
Astu. Nischayena. So nischayena means definitely. So prayashaha or prayaha is probably, most likely. Nischayena, definitely. So what is he saying?
Definitely you will get better. Take the medicine.
Astu. Dhanyavadaha. Astu. Prashnaha santi va atra? Astu. I think with this we
Bhanumoday, this one I haven't understood this. Sheet karantah ev agatah syat. Syat I haven't understood.
Syat is a vidhiling lakara. We will study it in the next class, next year. Asthatu, syat is a different lakara type.
Dhanyavad.
So there the meaning doesn't change. He is just saying probably because of cold weather, your fever has come. So when you want to indicate probability, then you will use that lakara. Astu. Anye prashnaha santi va atra?
Mahodaya, agataha is it like a pratama vibhakti ekavachana here?
No, it's a ta pratyaya. Gam dhatu ta pratyaya.
Ta pratyaya. Okay.
We will study that in the next Lata class.
Okay.
They shouldn't have used these advanced forms. Anyway,
What was the question?
agataha meaning agataha, what type of word it is.
Okay.
Astu.
Nishchayena is a trutya.
I think it is a avyaya pada.
Okay.
Nischayena. I let me check. I'm not 100% sure.
But they have given in the Kostaka, right?
No. Bhavati, you are correct. Nischaya, it's trutiya ekavachana. What were you saying, Bhagya Mahoday?
I thought it is also Avyaya Mahodaya because they have given here in the Kostakam Kintu Nischayena Prayashaha Khila. So I thought maybe.
But Kosha says Nischayena is Trutiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Nischaya is the Pratipadikam. Astu.
One more thing, like this Rochte, when you said that I like mangoes, it was like Mayam Amrafalam Rochte. And then for this Avabhyam Amrafalam Rochte again, no? It would be. Because it goes with the Phalam.
Uttamam. Good question. Mahyam Rochate. Avabhyam rochate. Asmabhyam rochate. Because we are talking about the phalam. Uttamaha prashna.
And if it's
vadatu. If it is two fruits.
If it's like two fruits, then it would be like rochete, no? Rochete.
Mahyam rochete, amraphale rochete, amraphalani
Rochante.
rochante.
Yes.
Good
But it's the
exercise.
same concept in German also. It's,
Okay. I see.
Dhanyavad.
Astu. Dhanyavadah. Astu. Let us go to the Pravesha book. Let us go to section 6, first chapter, page number 19. Atra katha asti. So I want to show you how the questions on the katha subject will be in the exam. So let us take one or two examples. Sudha Srividya Mahodaya. Katham patatu.
Daivameva param.
Not that one. Buddhiman Sishyaha asti.
So I have a different book. Okay.
Oh, you have the Tamil medium book.
Yes, yes. Buddhiman
So I think,
Sishyaha-
Mahodaya, the exam, so I think you should get hold of the English medium book because your questions will be based on the English medium book.
Okay.
Kasya krama asti? Bhagya Mahodaya. Bhavani Mahodaya, pustakam asti va? Na shruyate.
Mahodaya, page number
19.
19.
Chapter 1.
बुद्धिमान् शिष्यः काशी नगरे एकः पंडितः वसति.
Let's do each sentence and the meaning.
There is one pandit living in Kashi city.
In Kashi Nagare. Saptami ekavachanam.
पंडित समीपम एकः शिष्यः आगच्छति. So one student came to the pandit.
Came what?
Came.
Why came? Agachati.
One student comes near the pandit.
Comes
near the pandit. शिष्यः वदति आचार्य विद्याभ्यासार्थम् अहम् आगतः. So the student tells Acharya, I have come for learning. I have come for learning.
Atra vidyabhyasartham asti. What is the question we would ask for that? Why has the student come?
Kimartham.
Kimartham. Kimartham vidyabhyasartham. So instead of vidyabhyasartham, what else could we have answered there? How else could we have answered there? Kimartham. What is the vibhakti form of the kimartham answer? Srividya Mahodaya. Chaturthi.
Yeah, so it would be kimarthaya. Yeah.
Astu.
Or vidyabhyasaya.
Astu.
Aham agataha.
Again, agataha is a ta pratyaya. Don't worry about it. We will study what it means next year. But it essentially, for now, you can take it as I have come.
Panditah shishya शिष्य बुद्धिपरीक्षार्थं पृच्छति वत्स देवः कुत्र अस्ति the pandit asks the student Vatsa, son, Devah kutra asti, where is God?
He asks for what reason? Kimartam pruchati.
Buddhi pariksha.
Buddhi parikshartham pruchati. Astu. धन्यवादः. अनुपमा महोदय अनन्तरं पठतु.
आं महोदय. शिष्यः वदति गुरो देवः कुत्र नास्ति, कृपया भवान् एव समाधानं वदतु.
What is he saying?
Shishya asks the guru.
Asks.
Vadati. Vadati speaks.
What is Vadati? What lakara and all that?
Lat lakara.
You have to say everything. For a kriya padam, you have to say lakara, purusha, vachana, and if possible, the dhatu.
I can't recollect now.
Vadati, vadataha. Ka vaktim ichchati. Srividya Mahodaya, do you remember?
Vadati, vadataha, vadanti, vadasi, vadathaha, vadatha, vadami, vadavaha, vadamaha.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah. So Anupama Mahodaya, Anantaram Pashyatu, Guru. What is Guru?
The vibhakti you are asking. Sambodhana.
Sambodhana. Vachanam, lingam.
Ekavachanam, Pullinga.
Pullinga. Guru Shabda. Guru is Pratipadikam. Do you remember the Guru Shabda table? All 21 forms. Guruhu, Guru.
No, Mahodaya.
Chinta mastu. Whose turn is it? Bala Mahodaya. We haven't talked to you today. Guru Shabda table. Bhavan mute मध्ये अस्ति प्रायः. अस्तु. कः वक्तुम् इच्छति? Who wants to say? हर्षा महोदय, भवती वक्तुम् इच्छति वा? वदतु.
गुरुः गुरवः. हे गुरु, हे गुरु, हे गुरवः. No, हे गुरवः. Then
Guravah only.
Gurum, Guru, Guruhu.
Gurum, Guru, Gurun.
Gurun.
Gurum, Guru, Gurun.
Gurum, Guru, Gurun. Tritiya, Guru. Yeah. Guru, Gurunam.
Guruna.
Guruna. Gurubhyam. Gurubhihi.
Gurubhihi.
Gurubhihi. Guru. Gure. Gurubhyam. Guru. Chaturthi. Guru. Gurubhyam. Gurubhyah.
एकवचनं पुनः वदतु.
Gure.
Hemanti Mahode, Smarati va?
Yeah, Gurave.
Gurave. Gurave Namaha.
Gurave. That's why I
Gurave
remember Gurave Namaha.
So always have these types of memory recollection tips. Gurave Namaha. That's how I remember it.
Okay. Gurave, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha, Guru, Guruho, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha, Guru, Guruvo, Ho, Gurunam, Guru, Guruvoho, Gurushu.
Ekavachanam, you have to please revise again.
Yes.
Hemanti Mahode, Bhavati Vadatu. Guru Shabda.
Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha, Gurum, Guru, Gurun, Guruna, Gurubhyam, Gurubhihi, Gurave, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha, Guroho, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha, Guroho, Gurubhyam,
Guruvoho.
Guru, yeah,
Guruvoho.
yeah, Guroho, Guruvoho, Gurunam, Guru, Guruvoho, Gurushu.
Sambodhana.
Hey Guru, hey Guru, hey Guru.
So Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam will be the same as Prathama Vibhakti.
Oh, hey Guru, hey Guru, hey Gurun.
Guru, Guru, Guravaha. So hey Guru, hey Guravaha.
Hey Guru, hey Guru, hey Guravaha.
Please revise the Guru Shabda, Hari Shabda. Astu. It will come. Don't worry. Astu. Let us go back. Anupama Mahode. Agre Pathatu. After Guru, after Sambodhana, what does he say?
Krupaya Bhavan Eva Samadhanam Vadatu.
So what is he saying there?
Please give me the answer to my question. No,
please
tell me one thing.
You only tell the answer. Eva. Eva. What is Eva?
You only?
Only. Anantaram Pathatu.
Santushtaha Guruhu Vadati. Devaha Sarvatra Asti. Devaha Sarvavyapi. Tvam Buddhimana. Ataha Vidyabhyasartham Uttaiva Vasa.
Atraiva.
Atraiva Vasa.
Atra eva. Atraiva. Atra Pashyantu. Kutra is in the Prashna. Sarvatra. Atra are the two answers. What do they mean? Do you remember?
Yes. Sarvatra is everywhere. God is everywhere. And
Atra.
Atra is here.
So what is the Guru saying?
God is everywhere.
Ah.
Devaha Sarvavyapi. He is everywhere.
Spread everywhere, literal meaning.
Spread everywhere. Tvam buddhiman. You are intelligent.
Atra tvam, what is tvam?
You.
Vibhakti, vachana, lingam.
Lingam. Comes as Madhyama Purusha. That I know.
Not Madhyama Purusha, it's a Namapadam, so it won't have Purusha. So it's for anybody, all three lingas.
Okay.
It exists in all three lingas. Tvam, you.
Tvam, you.
So
Ataha.
here, Tvam buddhiman, astu.
Ataha vidya vyasartham attaiva vasa. Atraiva vasa.
Atraiva vasa. You are a smart person or buddhiman, therefore you stay here only.
You stay here.
Ataha. So there you see this usage of ataha. Therefore you stay here. You are a buddhiman, therefore stay here.
Stay here.
The other form would have been using yataha. Atra ekam vishayam pashyatu. Tvam vasa. So vasa is using vasa because he is addressing the student as tvam. So vasa is madhyama purusha, ekavachana.
Madhyama Purusha.
If he had said bhavan, what would it have been instead of vasa?
Bhavan vasatu.
Vasatu. Uttama. So what is vasatu and vasa? What lakara?
Vasatu is prarthana, Lord lakara. Vasa is the same.
Purushaha. That is why you have to say the Purusha also. That will differentiate.
So the first one would be Vasatu would be Pratama Purusha. And the Vasa would be Madhya Purusha, Madhyama Purusha.
Vasthatu. Can you tell the all the nine lakara forms?
Sure. Vasatu, Vasatam, Vasantu. Vasa, Vasatam, Vasata. And the last one would be the Uttama Purusha, right, Mahodaya?
Vasani.
Oh, Vasani, Vasava, Vasama.
Astu. Uttama. So this is the Katha. So if you scroll to the next, if you go to the next page, page number 20, Etesham uttaram likhata. There are 3 questions. So in the exam, they will not actually give the katha. They will simply ask a random question like Panditaha kutra vasati. And you have to remember that it applies to this katha and answer it. So it's a little, okay, they should have given the story and asked questions based on that, but they don't do it that way. So they might ask you Panditaha kutra vasati in the exam without the story. So you have to remember the questions and the answers. Astu. Panditaha kutra vasati. Bhavani Mahodaya, bhavati pathitavati.
Yeah. Panditaha Kashi Nagare vasati.
Anantaram Panditaha.
Panditaha kimartam prashnam pruchati. Panditaha kimartam prashnam pruchati. Panditaha vidyabhyasartham.
Pandita vidyabhyasartham pruchati va.
Panditaha.
Shishya Buddhi Parikshartham.
Buddhi Pariksha. Oh.
It is
Okay.
given.
Shishya Buddhi Parikshartham.
So I'm emphasizing this because the answers are also in the Katha only. And usually the answers are one-word answers. Yeah, it's a strange way of asking questions in the exam, but that is what we are stuck with. So let us make the best of it. So Panditaha Kimartham Prashnam Pruchati, Panditaha Shishya Buddhi Parikshartham Pruchati. So if you all look in the PDF that I sent you, the consolidated PDF, collected topics.pdf iti nama asti tasya, there all the questions and answers are given for your easy memorization. Just remember the question, remember the answer, write it in the exam. Antimam prashnam.
Santushtaha guruhu ante kim vadati. Santushtaha guruhu vadati devam sarvatra asti. Devaha sarvatra asti. Devaha sarvavyapi. Tvam buddhiman. Ataha vidyabhyasartham atraiva vasaha.
So that is what you have to write in the exam.
God is all pervasive, you are wise.
No. Angla Bhasha and not Sanskrit.
Okay.
Mahodaya, we have to write that all 4 sentences there.
Yeah, in this case, it looks like we have to write all 4 sentences.
Wow.
Mahodaya.
Just Buddhiman.
Vadatu Mahodaya.
So we would be asked only these questions, right? Not any other questions.
Satyam. We would be asked only these 3 questions. I mean, one of these 3 questions, not any other question. So you don't have to memorize the story as such. You have to memorize the question and the answer. Let us look at one more katha, then it will become easier. Go to chapter 2, section 6, katha. So Sri Vidya Mahodaya, you definitely have to get the English medium PDF. Or sorry, the book. Yeah. Sudha Mahodaya, patatu.
I'll do it, Mahodaya. I have the book.
Oh, asti va? Astu. Bhavati, you do 3-4 sentences. Sudha Mahodaya can do the other 4 sentences.
Is it Chaturaha Kakaha?
Satya.
Chaturaha Kakaha. Yekaha Kakaha asti. Saha Bahu Trushitaha.
Let us do one sentence and the meaning. Chaturaha Kakaha.
There is a crow.
Chaturaha Kakaha ityukte kim?
Chaturaha
Clever.
Clever. Yeah, clever. Clever crow. There is a crow. Saha Bahu Trushitaha. He is very
thirsty. Trushitaha means thirsty.
Trushitaha, thirsty. Saha Jalartham Brahmati.
Brahmati.
Brahmati. Brahmati is searching or going.
Searches.
Searching.
Brahmati means roams around.
Roams.
Jalartham for water. Brahmati. Brahmati, what is Brahmati?
Brahmati is roaming.
Lakara, etc.
Brahmati, Laklakara, Ekavachana,
Prathama Purusha.
Prathama Purusha.
Anantaram.
Brahmataha, Brahmanti.
भ्रमति भ्रमतः भ्रमन्ति
भ्रमसि भ्रमतः भ्रमथ
भ्रमामि
भ्रमामि is it right? भ्रमामि भ्रमाव भ्रमाव
मह भ्रमावः
okay
भ्रमामः अनन्तरं
तदा ग्रीष्मकालः
अर्थः कः
तदा that time or that time
then
is,
that time
that time is grishmakalah is summer kutrapi jalam nasti in jalam nasti
कुत्रापि 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 kutrapi means nowhere anywhere anywhere
is where
kutra means where, api is also, but when you use kutrapi as a combined word, anywhere
jalam no water kakah kashtena bahu duram gachati crow with great difficulty goes far away.
Kashtena. What is kashtena?
With great difficulty.
Vibhakti, purushaha, lingam, vachanam.
Kashtam.
Kashtaha.
Ekavachanam. Kashtaha. Kashtaha. Ekavachanam tritiya vidyate. Kashtena bahuduram. Very far away. He goes.
He goes.
Kakaha gachati.
Gachati.
Tatra saha ekam ghatam pashyati. There he sees a pot.
A pot. Dhanyavadah. Sudha Mahodaya. पठतु
काकस्य अतीव सन्तोषः भवति
काकस्य what is kakasya
काकस्य is षष्ठी विभक्ति प्रथम पुरुष एकवचनम
it's a nama padam, so it won't have purusha applies only for lakaras kriya padas so kakasya kakaha, so lingam vachanam vibhakti, those are the properties of a nama padam. Linga
पुल्लिंगा ekavachanam and then shashti vibhakti.
So what are the dvivachana and bahuvachana in shashti vibhakti?
Kakasya kakayoho
Ramanam.
Kakanam.
Kakasya ativa santoshah bhavati. Arthah kaha?
Kakasya ativa santoshah bhavati. The crow was very happy.
It literally means of the crow, lot of happiness becomes.
Kintu ghate swalpam eva jalam asti.
Kintu ghate. Kintu we just saw kintu, but ghate
is saptami. Saptami ekavachanam. Ghatam is napunsakalingam.
I think it is Pumlinga, Ghataha, I think. Pashyam. Agree. I'll look, please proceed.
Swalpam eva jalam asti. Swalpam is little. Less quantity of jalam, water is there.
Astu. Ghata is Pumlinga. Ghataha.
Ghataha. But in Telugu we say Ghatam. So I thought Sanskritam also it would be.
In Telugu, all objects are Napumsakalinga, right? It is, so that's the big difference. Anantaram Patata.
Jalam Katham Pibami. Katham is how. Jalam, water, how do I drink the water?
Pibami.
The is asking it. Pibami.
Pibami. What is Pibami?
Pibami is Uttama Purusha. Ekavachana. Ekavachana. Lat lakara.
What is the dhatu? Do you remember?
Pa.
Pa dhatu.
Pa.
Astu. Dhanyavadaha. Hemanti Mahodaya. Read the remaining.
Okay. Iti kakah chintayati.
I shouldn't have broken the sentence here. Jalam katham pibami iti kakah chintayati.
So how do I drink water? That is crow is thinking.
Iti. Do you remember what is iti and how we use it?
Jalam katham pibami iti.
Iti. The word iti. How do we?
That is what crow is thinking.
Everything before the word iti is treat it as a quotation. How do I drink water?
Yes. How do I drink water? Okay. Saha ekam upayam karoti. He is doing one upayam
plan.
Plan. Okay, plan. He's thinking of one plan, or he's doing one
Satya.
plan.
Satya.
Yeah. Shila Khandana Anayati.
Shila Khandan. What is Shila Khandan?
Shila Khandan is Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam.
Therefore, what type of word is it in the sentence? Karta, karma, kriya, etc. What is it?
Shila Khandan Anayati. So it's a karma pradam.
Karma padam.
Kakaha Shila Khandan Anayati.
Uttamam. Kakaha Shila Khandan Anayati.
Anayati. Okay. So the crow is bringing stones. Gate Purayati. So he's filling the pot. He's filling in the pot.
In the pot. Astu. Anayati. Anayati. What is the dhatu? Do you remember?
Anayati.
Atra upasarga asti.
Yeah, upasarga nayati.
Is the upasarga. So what is the word without the upasarga?
Nayati.
Nayati. What is nayati and what is anayati?
Nayati is carrying. Nayati is
carrying, taking, anayati, carrying.
Anayati is bringing.
Satyam.
Yeah.
Ni dhatu.
Ni dhatu. Okay. Okay. Ni dhatu.
So nayati also means leading.
Leading.
So leading or being a leader. So nrupaha rajyam nayati. So the king rules the kingdom. He leads the kingdom. So the reason it is that meaning is ni is to bear, to carry. So he carries the burden of the kingdom. Ataha nayati also means ruling, leading.
Ruling.
Nayakaha.
Nayakaha. Uttamam. Yaha nayati saha nayakaha. He who carries is a is a Nayaka.
I see.
So if people remember the actual meaning of Nayaka, they'll behave more humbly. Astu.
Okay. Jalam upari agachati. Water comes up. Kakaha santoshena jalam pibati. Crow is drinking water with satisfaction.
Happiness,
crow,
satisfaction.
Happiness. Okay. Santoshena. Tataha gachati. And then he goes.
Tataha. We saw that in the couple of classes before. Tataha. What is tataha? Itaha,
Then,
tataha.
Itaha, tataha.
Anybody else?
From there.
From there.
Oh,
From
there. Tataha.
From there.
From
From here
from
is
there
what? What is from here?
Itaha.
Itaha. Satyam.
Itaha.
So tataha gachati. From there he goes.
Okay.
Go to the next page. So again, you'll be asked one of these 5 questions only, and you have to give the answer. The answer is in the katha only.
Kaha bahu. Kaha bahu trushitaha. Kakaha bahu trushitaha.
Uttamam, uttamam. Aham pruchami, kopi vadatu. Saha kimartham bhramati. Sudha Mahoday, bhavati vadatu. Saha kimartham bhramati.
Saha jalartham bhramati.
Uttamam. Ghate kim asti, Chaitra Mahoday?
Ghate swalpam eva jalam asti.
Kakaha kim chintayati, Viraj Mahodaya?
Kakaha jalam katam pibami iti chintayati.
Uttamam. Ghate kim kshipati, Prashant Mahodaya?
I don't have the book.
Chinta maste. Sri Vidya Mahoday, Ghate kim kshipati?
Gathe Shilakhandan Shipati.
That's it. So you remember these 5 questions, these 1-word answers, 5 answers, you're done. So please go through the PDF that I had sent that has all these topics in collected form.
I searched for that PDF.
I'll send it again.
Okay, thank you.
Prashnaha santiva. Is anybody has any? Vadat.
You explained about this Kakasya, like he became happy. What, like, is it was it the same as earlier? Like, I like mangoes, or because that was a little bit different. Could you explain that again?
Kutra asti Mahodaya?
3, 4, like maybe 8 lines before, or 8 or 10.
Kakasya ativa santoshaha bhavati. Is that what you're asking?
Yes. This one.
Kakasya ativa santoshaha bhavati. So there the kriya padam is bhavati. Karta is santoshaha. Santoshaha bhavati. Happiness happens. Kasya santoshaha. Kakasya santoshaha. Of the crow. Spashtam va?
Yeah.
Has anybody attempted?
Adiva is Visheshna Vishesha.
Ativa, I think, is an abhyaya padam. A lot.
But this is Ativa goes with Santosha. Yeah.
Drushtva vadami. I am not 100% sure. Astu. Has anybody attempted any of the previous question papers?
Bhanu Mahodaya, aham February 2020 Prashna Patrika done, but there is one question. in a Dvitiya part, cha, there is a Madhyam Purushe. They give patasi, patatha, and patatta, not tha.
I think it's a typo. I
It's
saw
a
that
typo,
too.
right? That's what I want
Yeah.
to make sure.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a typo.
Okay. So if anybody has not attempted any of the previous question papers, please do. Then you'll get an idea for how the questions are asked. So for the Meera Mahoday, what do we do in the tutorial classes? Please remind me, I forgot. Sangrahya Vishayaha.
Vyavahara Shabdaha.
Vyavaharika Shabdaha.
And we do shloka.
And shlokas. So again, those are all topics that need to be memorized. Katha we are doing. As you have seen, it is very straightforward. We did Subhashitas and Prahelikas. I think we left the last two. Please, again, those are memorizing topics. So please go through the book or the consolidated PDF. So these are all topics that need to be memorized, but it would be helpful to you if you go through at least one question paper to get a sense of how the exam will be. So from next class, we will focus exclusively on the question papers. We have four more classes. We will focus on question papers. So please attempt at least one question paper. Actually, attempt the February 2020 question paper. I sent the link in the signal message. Please attempt that. Prashnaha santi va? Astu, Sudha Mahoday. Pruchate.
In that question paper, the one you sent it, the Subhashita, I thought we have to know the meaning, but we have to memorize it.
Evam va?
Yeah.
Yes, they're asking just a Rikta Sthanam Purayatu. So you have to know the stroke if you have to,
It's like a fill in the blank.
Yes.
Good thing is that they give the words also. So we
most of it we can remember. But
Agrima kakshayam pashyamaha. We will see what it is in the next class.
Also the
Chintam.
Anu Mahodaya, the Shukti is also very important.
Sukti, I think Meera Mahodaya is teaching in the tutorial classes. So please attend the tutorial classes or at least catch up with the videos. Astu, let us stop here and I'll stay back. If you have more questions, you can ask me. Sudha Mahodaya, Krupaya Mangala Shlokan Kuru.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
Dhanyavadah.
Sarvebhyah dhanyavadah.
Sarvebhyah dhanyavadah.